All right, guys, what's going on? So we are back in the garage again, the home shop. Got a little bit more room on this side. The twin supercharged Fox Body build is over there. The video I got for you today is a little bit different. It's going to be a bunch of car and automotive tool-related bloopers and cuts. Me and my buddy Lucian, repping the block, we are working on a video that's not quite done yet. So this video is just going to be a funny automotive bloopers and cut video. Did something a little bit different. I've never done anything like this before, so I put it all together in a day of our filming, just kind of behind the scenes little bloopers from when we're making a video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yes, that is electricity and water behind me. That'll be explained in this video. So go check it out. I hope you enjoy. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit that like button down below. If you could hit that like button, it means a lot to me, guys. 500 subscribers, you guys are getting another tool, and that is really soon. You guys, I'm doing a Milwaukee tool giveaway. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you might get that Milwaukee tool. Roll it. So highly recommend doing this part before you plug the thing in.
You put me in toast. God damn it, dude.
Alright guys, what's going on? So this is just going to be kind of a Sunday vlog video. We're going to do all sorts of stuff. We got Lucian with us again, repping the block. Go give him a shout out, check him out on Instagram. But anyway, we're just going to be doing lots of different auto and tool related stuff. We finished the Jeep, hardtop Jeep is completed. I'll put a picture right here. Because I told you guys in a previous video that I would show you that project. Really wasn't that bad. Lights turned out okay. Right now we're just going to try to restore this 15-inch ancient crescent wrench that I found. I literally stubbed my toe on this last summer and it's completely seized up. So we're gonna try the electrolysis method to remove the rust off this with this bin here. We got a piece of sacrificial metal in there. We're gonna stick this in. If you wanna see a video on exactly how to set this up, let me know down in the comments and we'll show you.
One of these? Will this work?
Yeah, possibly. How much is it?
I don't know. $9.50.
You gonna buy it?
That looks a bit expensive.
You got the Beamer. Lucian, you know what you are? Right here.
Trash. I mean,
Trash.
I wouldn't be surprised, but at least I look good.
Highly recommend doing this part before you plug the thing in. Your negative side can be underwater, that's just fine. Positive side you want on your sacrificial piece of metal. Make sure they're not touching. I don't think they're touching.
I don't believe so.
And you don't want the sacrificial piece to be underwater. Put that on 2 amps. And the idea is that the rust will be removed from this piece and a chemical reaction will attract it to this sacrificial piece of metal that's on our positive side. Right now it's pretty cloudy. I can't really see a whole lot going on in there, but it should be working. Come here.
Oh! In the suburbs, there's how many people live here?
2,000.
2,000 people out here. We got kids in the streets with one wheels. What is this, 2050?
I'm gonna be filming a vlog for you guys, so hopefully you find this entertaining. I know that we're going to enjoy filming it, so let's go. What?
Good.
You want to get one more of the stump?
This?
Yeah, that stump right there. Like get a zoomed in shot, like from standing here. Like by this thing I was thinking. Yeah, like right there.
What's happening?
I don't know. Why?
Like, well, I'm either gonna die or this is gonna be awesome.
Yeah, like get the birds chirping. Dude, look out. You got backup.
Did you put me in toast? God damn it, dude.
It's not blowing up. But you mean this isn't going to do anything?
No, because when Mentos are introduced to Diet Coke, part of the reaction is the air that's introduced to it. So if there's no air in there, there's not going to be a chemical reaction. But as soon as you open that up, it'll be awesome.
What if I just like throw it on the ground?
You could try it.
Will it do anything?
Oh,
Whoa!
Jesus.
Not as cool as I thought. Damn it. I was really trying to be an asshole. I'm sorry.
This is the part of the video where I tell you how great Jared is, and if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can stay notified whenever Jared puts up a hype video. Let's go!
Dude, how'd I get mud inside the door? Alright, so next on the agenda was to come to the car wash, but it doesn't look like it's been open in some time. The Mazda got a little bit muddy, so that was something I wanted to do, but I guess they're closed. The point's having a self-serve car wash if you can't even serve yourself. I just wanted to wash my car. Truck, whatever you want to call this thing.
The vehicular device.
See if I can. I don't know if I'm supposed to go through here, but we're gonna do it.
You're definitely not supposed to go through here, but that's okay. No, that's fine. Let's break the law. Let's do this. It's fine. What's gonna happen to me?
Oh,
I don't know. I'll be deported. You'll be fine. You'll get a ticket. You're gonna be safe. It's fine. I don't know.
Let's get some fancy shots by the car wash.
Okay.
Even though we can't wash it. What up, dude? Yo, Lucian, do you remember when like the best part of high school though was coming to the self-serve car wash and like washing your car? Like this is pure nostalgia for me. Like even if we can't use it, it's just like I remember I had an SN95 and 98 vert, so it was the 4.6 2-valve GT. It was my uncle's car, so it was really sentimental to me. And like my favorite thing to do was come to the self-serve car wash and just suds her up. And the Mazda really needed it right now, and that's still one of my favorite things in the entire world to do. And we can't do it, so we're gonna get some fancy shots. You know how you get a one-armed blonde out of a tree?
You wave?
I hate you. Why'd Sarah fall out of the swing?
Why?
Because Sarah had no arms.
Whoa!
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Not Sarah.
God damn it, dude. That's fucked. That's funny though. I have no idea. I'm scared.
I know, electricity and water, scary. Look at that though, you can see the bubbles coming off. That's the rust getting eaten off the wrench and going on to our sacrificial lamb, which is the rotor. Kind of hard to see it from that side. What you think, Lush?
I mean, this is awesome, but I feel like it's going really slow. Do you think we should light some candles and talk really weird and burn incense?
Alright guys, so thanks for tuning in to this little video today. We didn't have a whole lot planned for you. We were just gonna have some fun, hang out, film some stuff. It was really sunny out and now it's kind of shitty. So we got Lucian and his Beamer. Thanks for showing up, getting us some of those fancy shots. We were gonna go to a self-serve car wash and it was closed. The Mazda really needs the car wash. The Beamer does now because we drove through like a construction zone trying to find it. But if you like this video, make sure that you like down below, comment, subscribe for more content such as this. Say goodbye to Lucian. Thanks again. See you next time.
Till I get arthritis, my heart is icy, walking past the bouncer like I knew somebody. Cool like hella cloudy, or the poison ivy. Went from like a stronger with a cosign me. I don't even like me.